Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix gaps on your TradingView charts. If you're analyzing a chart and notice a bunch of empty gaps between candles, here's how to remove them. First, go to the Indicators tab at the top and type No Gaps in the search bar. Under the Community Script section, select No Gaps Candles. This will automatically fill in the gaps and make your chart look more consistent. Now, if you notice the previous candles showing faintly in the background and it looks a bit messy, you can clean that up too. Go to your chart type selector and change it from candles to step line. Then right-click anywhere on the chart, click Settings, and under the Symbol tab, find the line colors, set both color opacities to 0, and press OK. And that's it. The gaps are gone, and your chart looks clean and accurate again. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to help me, and see you in the next one.